Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Jojo here.
Shutzpah here.
Why are you calling yourself Shutzpah nowadays? Is what I want to know. Your Instagram and
I've
your
always,
website.
Instagram, correct.
Ah.
And I've also always called myself Shutzpah.
Oh.
So it's either Shruti or Shutzpah. Like, and then other people call me Shutz. Like Shutz is like my regular, like everyone calls me Shutz, like everywhere. So then Shutzpah becomes easier than people don't know. नहीं तो वो ढूंढते रहते हैं Shruti and then बहुत सारी Shrutis are there. So then
that's true. That's true. Shutzpah is your moniker.
My online persona thing.
Persona. like our Kambhari, whose real name is Kunal. Kunal.
Yeah.
Pandagle,
yeah.
Pandagle.
Kunal Pandagle.
Also known as Kambhari, has dropped a song. We love this guy and his poetic abilities.
Yes.
Yeah. So he's dropped a track on the 22nd of October. I got lots of requests for it. And I was like, ooh, Kambhari, new song. Let's do it. It's called Asma. So यहाँ पे लिखा है खोद डाला पहाड़, खोल डाला कुआं, खेल डाला लाला मैंने जिंदगी का जुआ, छोड़ूंगा मैं जब मेरा बदन और जाऊंगा मैं आत्मा की तरफ. Free thyself. That's what the blurb says now. ठीक है. Music producer Deb, mix mastering, video sound design Shikhar Yuvraj Manchanda for the Beast India Company. Beast India Company, nice. Okay. Obviously it is Ink. So chalo, let's do it.
Let's do.
1, 2, 3, play. It's a nice room.
मैं जब मेरा बदन न जाऊंगा मैं आत्मा की तरफ शायद तोड़ूंगा मैं तब मेरा घमंड न जाऊंगा मैं आसमां की तरफ छोड़ूंगा मैं जब मेरा बदन न जाऊंगा मैं आत्मा की तरफ शायद तोड़ूंगा मैं तब मेरा घमंड न जाऊंगा मैं आसमां की तरफ हर बार लिखूं सच जैसे खड़ा सामने जज ना किया रमच और ना बना चम्मच आज एक नया गाना लिखूं जब सोचे तू मैं तब दिखूं जिंदगी में दुख है पर मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ मैं सीखूं मैं लेटूं मैं बीटों को पीटूं और हर बार जीतूं जब पत्ता मेरा खींचूं तराजू का तोड़ डालू काटा लोग परेशान जैसे स्विस में है खाता पर पैसा तो आता और जाता मैं कितना कमाता और कितना बचाता तू बचेगा नहीं इतना बचाता आज पूरी महफिल सजाता आज पूरी महफिल सजाता छोड़ूंगा मैं जब मेरा बदन न जाऊंगा मैं आत्मा की तरफ शायद तोड़ूंगा मैं तब मेरा घमंड न जाऊंगा मैं आसमां की तरफ छोड़ूंगा मैं जब मेरा बदन न जाऊंगा मैं आत्मा की तरफ शायद तोड़ूंगा मैं तब मेरा घमंड न जाऊंगा मैं आसमां की तरफ मेरे घर को दीवार ऊपर छत अच्छी किस्मत और चल दूंगा जब फिर कर मुझको मिस मत बस गाना बजाना महफिल सजाना जमाना भी खोजेगा मेरा ठिकाना कला खजाना जो खोले ये किताब उसको बताना निभाना फर्ज चुकाना कर्ज कमाना प्यार नफरत गर्द करी हसरत आज मिली नुसरत कल भरोसा मेरा पूरा रखा मैंने कुदरत पर खुद चल कर मैं आया आगे खुद के बल पर हर काम बजा डाला मैंने छोड़ा नहीं कल पर खोद डाला पहाड़ खोल डाला कुआं खेल डाला लाला मैंने जिंदगी का जुआ 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 जाऊंगा मैं आत्मा की तरफ शायद तोड़ूंगा मैं तब मेरा घमंड न जाऊंगा मैं आसमां की तरफ छोड़ूंगा मैं जब मेरा बदन न जाऊंगा मैं आत्मा की तरफ शायद तोड़ूंगा मैं तब मेरा घमंड न जाऊंगा मैं आसमां की तरफ
a video, man.
I swear I can talk about this video like for half a day non-stop. It had amazing elements and it had so much stuff packed in. There was like, normally गानों में bars होते हैं, यहाँ पे videos में bar था. Like they were back-to-back bars. It was amazing. Oh my God.
Music video produced by Walkabout Films for Ink Inc. Walkabout Films.
Listen, keep walking about, yo. We're behind you all the way. Amazing. Amazing.
Holy.
Listen, throughout, I was divided in my head. I was like, agar ye video aisa nahi hota, would I have enjoyed the song as much? Or is the video adding so much to the song that it is like quadrupling the pleasure I'm getting out of listening to the song? And it's a fact. Agar ye video मैंने नहीं देखा होता, अगर मैंने सिर्फ गाना सुना होता, I would have really liked his voice. I would have liked the slight sing-song flow that he's taken. And even what he's talking about, it was very nice. But it would not be that extreme हटके एक जो चीज होती है ना कि आपने सुना गाना और आपने एकदम से कहा my God, this is very हटके. वो नहीं था. But this video has made this so beyond hatke that the collective thing has made it like a masterpiece in my head. Like I can't remember the last time I saw a video that was this amazing. It's been a really long time.
Art, this video.
Phenomenal. Right from, even from, regular life, the transition of suddenly going towards the Asman with that light piche, like the moon, and then suddenly like this one dhua thing that's happening. And when he, even just that one mise-en-scène that got created where he's sitting with his hands up, moon behind, touching the Asman, where the cloud is. Oh my God, right there, I was like, okay, this is cinematic to another level. Yahan pe focus karne ki zarurat hai. And then when the, when the ink was dropping, and how when the ink was coming in, and when he was talking about that, how मैंने उसको ही तोड़ दिया, that time basically gramophone का जो needle होता है, that was on the thing, but that was burning.
It was
so
burning.
It's like how that was mixing into the lyrics, into the music, and going up in like flames, ashes, and then that ink was also, ink had also spilled. It was mixing through, coming on the paper, and then just spilling through. Oh my God. So much was being spoken in that one simple frame, or like 10 simple frames of this, not at all simple, but like, the whole story progression. It's like, agar main music band karke sirf video dekhti, jo wahan pe bars dikh rahe the na, like they were no lesser than like one full-on hip-hop.
But go frame by frame for this video. It is, I think it's hands down the best video I've seen in Desi hip-hop. Like it is freaking, mind is blown. It's like every single second. It has been thought out.
Between the two verses, when the music was going on, and then when there was a very distinct break in the video, that time, couple of the SFXs they used. Now, I watch a lot of horror stuff, right? So in that, specific to American Horror Stories, ka jo whatever, that music which is there, this was so much like it. So the reflection that came in my head was completely that. Which also means that the video was distorting, coming back together, and yet burning it all up together, and yet coming back to life. The words he's speaking, where we will all just like kind of break through and go, and like, oh man, whoa. Like, whoa, it's almost feeling like a shot. When you take a shot and your senses come alive, this song is like that. The video was like that. I'm feeling like alive. Sorry, I will calm down now. Now you do.
No need to calm down. It needs this kind of reaction. What a
freaking has happened.
This is just art on another level. I am so mind blown right now that I'm just like, yes, this is what we were waiting for. Like, because there's so many, like, there are good videos and there are great videos, and then there are videos that just stand out as like cinematic visual masterpieces that should go in the museum of like all-time great sort of things created. This is one of those. So I don't know who the people are behind like the thought put into every frame. Like when it started, I was like, oh, what a beautiful room. The room got destroyed, which was like, but while the process was going on of destroying that room, and the song was going on with what he was saying in the song, and there were little moments like the gramophone ka needle was melting, which broke my heart because freaking hell. That hurts. Then the most painful part for me was when the fountain pen ka nib was melting.
Then the whole thing was
I was like, no,
powerful shot.
Don't waste the pen, because I love ink pens.
Well, they didn't. it's immortal in the song now.
I know, but
Yeah.
still. So I was just like, oh, the different elements of it were just like hurting me. And then I saw why all those elements were being put together one after another,
Yeah,
because the final
yeah.
thing was it's all burnt down and it's all been destroyed. The whole ink spilling on the different words during the different lines of the song. You know, when he said "Ki main khada hu samne judge ke," then his father's picture was shown. Did you see that? It was
Yes,
like
yes, right at the beginning.
I
Yeah.
think that was his father.
Yeah.
"Main khada hoonga judge ke samne." So he's trying to tell us like, this is the person in my life who's kind of represented that for me,
Yeah.
you know, who I'm always trying to make proud or whatever the thing
Yeah.
is, implication. But it was just like every second, like word of the song that needed something extra to be shown was shown. And it was so done, like, you know, done in a second
Effortlessly.
and moved on to
Wow.
the next
Yeah.
element, which was also then brilliant. And you're just like, what is going
That blackened
on?
book, that blackened book in the end, when he was, oh my God, like that had so many meanings right there. I was like, whoa.
And just
you know,
full,
so-
say.
no, I was just saying so many times we get, you know, in the past, it's happened that a lot of videos go into that very trippy zone. जहाँ पे वो दिमाग के अंदर क्या चल रहा है वो बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And we have reacted saying, they didn't accomplish it. And then we've actually faced a lot of flack for it. Everyone saying that, अरे आपको समझ नहीं आया. You know, to which we have said that समझ आया, लेकिन उसका depiction इतना अच्छा नहीं था. It could have been better. This is what we meant. I mean, at least, you know, and I know I'm speaking for you here as well, that to go into the trippy zone, but to be able to put forth what your thought is and what you actually want to represent and talk without even the word saying it or even the word saying it, to adding that double meaning to it and to be actually showcasing it properly, jahan aapko bhi samajh aaye dekhte hue, without losing, you know, without going into a trance with them and not losing time. Because sometimes it gets boring to watch and then you're like, yaar, ye thoda zyada trippy ho gaya. You know, yahan you were on top, like you were on your toes, trying to grasp what they're saying and yet getting it. It was wonderful. Wonderful.
It was just fantastic. And a special mention to the props department, the lighting, the everything, production element wise, the smoke, then in the end coming out of his mouth. It was just
absorbing it all in.
Yeah,
that was more like
he was sucking it
out. Yeah. Oh man, that all this exists in his head. All this drama, all this rubbish that he had unleashed in his beautiful room was all.
Yeah, and the thing is, you know, it boggles my mind how so much can be said within this small square frame of this one tiny set. Like there's so much being depicted. There's no locations, there's no chuja, there's no props, there's no helicopters and cars and nothing. It's just एक उसके अंदर shoot किया है, and it's like so many thoughts, so many ideas, so many notions, so many messages. Yeah, hats off. So I think we should now talk about Kaam Bhari at the song itself also, because man, this guy is just,
I'm pretty sure all of it is his brainchild as well, because you know, if it's his song, even if it's suggested or not, till he is not actively involved in the whole video making process, it's impossible.
Has to be. Has to
be the way it's so wow.
क्योंकि वो हर एक लाइन को डिपिक्ट करना कि आर्टिस्ट के माइंड में क्या था लिखते टाइम, और उसके डबल ट्रिपल मीनिंग उसके थॉट्स में क्या थे, वो सब फिर वीडियो में लाना. Obviously he has to have been involved in every aspect of the, you know, the shots that were put together. But so that of course is like artistry on another level. As a rapper, and it's also, you know, his lines and what he's saying in this song is just, you know, it's beyond his years. It's beyond his years. He's born in 99. Look, I'm just putting that out there. He's young. Yeah, he's 22.
Almost abhi hi, I was just about to say, like 21 saal ka hua hai, abhi.
He's 22 years old, and this is the stuff he's writing. Means he's a very old soul. He thinks on a deeper level than probably a lot of his peers, and you know, most people his age. I'm just like,
listen, just keep making videos, okay? Kaam Bhari. Now we expect like videos every time. You please release songs and all. You better make videos, because clearly your brainchild in the whole video thing and with the song and what you're thinking and putting it out. We are love with
but
you,
can I see that uski aankhon mein wo dikhta hai? And I don't say this very often. But, you know, his eyes are so deep, and like just that he'll just stare into space, or he'll stare at the camera with a slight like smile on his face, or this lost look. You can just see there's so much going on behind those eyes. Man, I would love to meet him one day. But he's definitely someone who is so you know, like I get the vibe that he has so much going on inside him in terms of thoughts and emotions that he almost finds it impossible to put it out in his songs, because there's so much. I'm
That
really
cracked
getting that.
mirror, I think that's him. वो
Yeah.
cracked mirror में multiple faces showing, like video के अंदर जो वो था, and he's looking ऐसे in from one crack to another. Like those are the different elements of Kambhari which
Yeah.
exist.
I don't know how much of his work is out there, but if there, I feel like he has a lot to say, and we would love to see an album from him, like a whole album. Maybe that's next on the cards for him as an artist. Maybe that's in the works, in the plans. I don't know, but like I want to see a full body of work of Kambhari's music and thoughts and everything that's going, because I can tell there's a lot going on inside his brain and his heart and his mind.
So
and-
right. Yeah.
So man, and I'm gonna go through the lyrics of this offline because bahut deep the, and like just about life in general. I think everyone can take away a lot from this song. Just
Yes. Just everything.
loop it, guys, and share this song with people. It's like this kind of art, this kind of video, this kind of song. It needs to go out into the world. It needs to be up on billboards.
Please do it, otherwise Jojo will come and privately slap you. Her
Come
voice is
on.
not only
Like
right
if
now.
anyone from any streaming platforms is listening, just put it on your playlist. Make it awesome. So yeah, share it far and wide, spread it. It is definitely hands down the best music video I have seen in Desi hip hop. That's it.
Absolutely agree. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So on that note, check out Ms. Bola's website as well. All her awesome stuff on all the streaming
Thank you.
platforms is linked below. Support our channel also. And take care of yourselves. Loop this song. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.